The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello students, how are you all? Okay. So, you should start your studies, okay? Our exams are coming and we'll do our practical, okay? We'll make an arrangement. Clear? Okay. So, last class we have discussed about the operating system and we have discussed the different operating system. Is it? And the main base of an operating system is Unix operating system. Clear? Okay. And we have discussed what are the file systems which is available and who are the developers of the different operating systems. Some of you have completed that activity and some of you have didn't go through that. So complete it and send it. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about how we can use the command line. That means in Windows we will see in search or it is CMD command. Is it? We have studied about what is menu, is it? The folders or the software which is arranged in a particular section in an operating system, that is known as menu. So, without using that menu, nowadays we don't have any menu in that. In most of the operating system, they don't have a menu. So, how we can access the different applications of this? So, using the command line. So, in Ubuntu, just drag any applications. Software. So if it is Synfig Studio means you just drag it on the desktop. Okay. The launcher of the software is created. That means a shortcut key. Is it? Shortcut of the application. In Windows it is seen that shortcut. In Ubuntu it is known as launcher. And click on the right button. You can see the properties. In this, just double click on the launcher and select trust and launch to the use this application. So you will get an icon in that desktop. Okay, so that is the use of command line and here is the dialog box by selecting the property box. Here you can give the name and like this you can activate it. Clear? And another one is, so many guys said that in many operating system we don't have the menu. Is it? And then we want to just launch the particular application software. So in mobile phone also we have that particular section. We don't have any menu or folder section. We are just creating that section. Is it? So such content or such activity is activated by the commands to a terminal. In system we are using terminal. Okay. So now the updated versions of Ubuntu it seems like a phone screen. We have to activate the applications using this terminal window. Okay students. I will show you what are the contents which we have discussed today. Okay. So, we'll see you in the next session.
So students, let's start our session. So today we are going to see how we can launch the icon of an application software from the menu. Okay. So first go to application, select which application software you need to give a shortcut. So just drag it on the desktop. I am just selecting Inkscape. So I am dragging the section and just go to that application and here you can see an Inkscape desktop. Is it? Just double click on that and just select trust and launch. So you can see the icon in your desktop. Here you can apply the shortcut in the desktop. So like this you can add any softwares in that. So again go to the another one. If it is education, and here we are selecting QGIS, is it? So just drag it and go to that and double click, just click on trust and launch. If you want to know its details, mean just right click, go to properties, and here you can see the details of that particular software. Okay, and next we have discussed about using terminal window you can open the software, is it? So let's see how it is. Now it is opening, the QGIS is opening, and here go to application. So first we can close this section, or I am minimize that. So go to accessories, here it is terminal, is it? You click on that, you will get a window like this, and here you can type which software you have to open. Here I am typing GIM. So you can see the software is opened, is it? So like this also you can select your applications which you need. Okay, so the software is still it is not opened. Again go to accessories, terminal, and here it is. Again I am opening GIM. So let's see. So let's wait for that. So in coming days the operating systems or the laptop or everything, it is in this type. If you want to access any application, you can use the terminal window, or if you want to apply the shortcut menus or icon, you can use like this. Okay, so these are the contents we are studying now. Okay, and here while closing the terminal, the application software will be closed. Clear, students? So we'll see you with a new topic. Bye.